The iPhone 18 Pro Max has just leaked in a real drop test video on 2 months before Apple's official launch. The design, the camera, and even the color are now visible. But that's not all. This leak may be connected to a massive cyber attack that exposed thousands of Apple files. Here's everything you need to know in this video. So, a new leak is making headlines on X. 2 different videos have appeared online showing what is claimed to be the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max in a controlled drop test. At first glance, the design looks almost identical to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you were expecting a completely new look, this leak suggests Apple may keep the same overall design. The videos were shared by an account called @EVLeaks on X. However, reports say this account is not connected to the well-known leaker Evan Blass, and the account has now been suspended. According to the latest rumors, Apple could finally remove the two-tone design. Instead, the iPhone 18 Pro may feature a clean, single-color finish across both the back and the frame, giving it a more premium and uniform look. The leak also suggests that the phone could come with a larger, variable aperture camera, allowing it to capture better photos in different lighting conditions. And of course, it is expected to be powered by Apple's new A20 Pro chip, which should bring faster performance and improved efficiency. According to reports, Apple's manufacturing partner, Tata Electronics, was recently hit by a ransomware cyber attack. Because of that attack, many internal Apple documents, including component designs and specification papers, were reportedly leaked. According to Reuters, more than 200,000 files were posted on the dark web. That means we could see even more iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks in the coming days. So far, Apple has not made any official statement about these leaks. Now, I want to hear from you. If Apple keeps almost the same design as the iPhone 17 Pro Max, would you still upgrade? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Apple leaks and updates. Thanks for watching.